Today I'm at Claremont IGA's Foodies Market, a local WA family-owned supermarket. They're community-focused and all about bringing you the local, freshest produce. There's nothing I love more than a long, cold glass of pure white milk. Our local, hard-working dairy farmers in WA do an amazing job in creating the best product that goes with anything in the world. I'm meeting up with Jackie Kay from Brown's Dairy to find out exactly what they've been up to lately. So Jackie, I absolutely love the look of this new packaging. Can you tell me more about it?
Yep, at Brown's Dairy, we believe that it's the little things that make all the difference with sustainability and the impact you make on the environment. So buying locally and using the most sustainable packaging available.
And what makes the packaging sustainable?
It's made from fully renewable plant-based materials. It is all sustainably sourced through certified avenues, and it's recyclable in your yellow lidded bin, just like traditional carton.
Look, I'm excited to get into the kitchen. I'm going to grab some ingredients and get cooking. So today I'm joined by Mitch Norton, star basketball player from the Perth Wildcats. Mitch, I've just gone down to one of our local IGAs. I've picked up some ingredients and I believe you're going to show me one of your post-game recipes.
Yeah, so this is my favourite. This is a go-to, banana smoothie. Bananas, obviously great, full of potassium, fantastic for muscles. Yep. You got the dairy products, you know, full of calcium and good for bone growth, and a drizzle in a bit of honey.
Show me how it's done. Let's do it.
Start off 2 bananas each. You're the expert. Are there any tips to cutting bananas?
Not really, to be honest. Just chop them.
Beautiful. I didn't lose a finger, so coach will be happy.
What's next?
Next, we got a cup of milk.
So Mitch, the milk we're using is from Brown's Dairy, and it's a new product. The packaging is made sustainably. It's local. I feel really great about using it. I think it's going to taste awesome in the smoothie.
Beautiful.
So you've got the cup of milk in there.
Yep.
What's next?
Next, we got half a cup of yogurt.
Right, so you usually make this for anyone else at home, or is this just a little secret tip after the game?
Yeah, mainly for me.
Yeah.
If I do have some mates over after, you know, we always hook into one of these. So something that's just quick and easy. Drizzle in some honey.
Some honey, awesome. So we've got some Southwest honey here. Again, a local product.
There we go.
Looks good. Grab some ice for you too, just in case you wanted to use it at all. But
beautiful.
You're the pro here. Go for it.
Generally have a lot of ice after a game, either ice in an injury or something like that. So it goes well in a smoothie also.
I'll grab some as well. All right.
Now that's done.
Let's
Ready
do
for
it.
the blender.
Awesome. That looks pretty good to me. There you go. I'll let you do yours. I'll wait for you to finish yours first. Do you have any like little finishing tips or garnishes and stuff like that? Little
Not
extra
really.
honey or?
No, honey's probably
Happy
right
with
where
that?
it is. Give it a crack and let me know what you
Alrighty.
think.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you. It's actually delicious. That's really good.
Thank you very much,
Yum.
mate. Appreciate it.
For this recipe, head to our website and look out for the new Brown's Milk sustainable packaging at your local WA IGA supermarket.